Did you know that the pineapple peel is loaded with lots of health benefits? Yes, you don't know. That is why you always throw them away. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you the health benefits of the pineapple peel and how you can use it to prepare tea. So watch the video to the end, and I want to assure you that after watching this video, you will never throw the pineapple peel away. The pineapple peel contains an enzyme which is called bromelain. The bromelain helps to aid digestion. It helps to prevent inflammation. It also helps prevent blood clot and coagulation of blood. So this enzyme makes the pineapple peel to be good for use. To use the pineapple peel to prepare tea, this is what you are going to do. Make sure you gather enough of the pineapple peel and wash them thoroughly. And after washing, transfer the pineapple peel into a pot. The next thing you are going to use is lemon grass. I'm using the dried lemon grass. You can use the fresh one as well. So wash the lemon grass too thoroughly. Then you add a reasonable quantity of water to it. The quantity of water I'm going to use depends on the quantity that I'm producing or preparing. So I'm going to boil it on low heat for at least 20 to 25 minutes. So after boiling, just strain it. Squeeze lemon juice into it. The pineapple peel tea is ready for consumption. This is what you'll be drinking. So you'll be drinking 500 ml of it in the morning and also in the evening continuously for at least 2 weeks. Drinking this tea helps in the prevention and treatment of arthritis and joint pains. So if you are suffering from joint pains or arthritis, then prepare this remedy and drink. I personally use it. It also helps to prevent blood clot and coagulation of blood due to the presence of bromelain. Another health benefit is it aids digestion. So if you are suffering from indigestion or constipation, then this drink is good for you. It also helps to reduce inflammation. It helps to reduce inflammation. So those are some few health benefits of drinking this tea, which is prepared using pineapple peel. I entreat each and every one of you to also prepare it and start drinking it. Thank you so much for watching this amazing video. This is Good Health, Good Life, a channel where I am promoting healthy living. So if it interests you to be part of this amazing family, then kindly subscribe to the channel And if you really like the video, then give me a thumbs up and also share the video on all your social media handles. Until I see you in the next one, eat healthy meals, engage in physical exercises on daily basis, and always visit the hospital on regular basis to know your health status. Healthy living should be your priority. Peace.